Here we are at our first site on day 7 or 8 of our Baikalian road trip. And this road trip is going all the way up around the southern part of the Lake Baikal and up the Selenga River catchment to collect samples for phytoplankton, but also water samples for silicon isotope analysis. And here we're at sort of going quite far south in the region, and we're only about 150 kilometers north of the Mongolian border. And here you can see that the Selenga River is actually very wide at this part. It's actually very high as well, so they're interesting aquatic macrophytes, but I think these are actually just sort of flooded grasses and shrubs. The river is quite fast flowing here, and of course remember the river accounts for about over 50% of water flowing into Lake Baikal. The mountains and hills in the distance, these have very characteristic valleys formed by rivers. And it's interesting here that it's so dry in this region that there's not enough precipitation for glaciers to form. So these valleys are just formed by fluvial action. And this is our little van that we've been travelling in now for many days, for long distances now. And that's Pasha, one of our assistants on this trip as well. So this is getting now into sort of very, very remote regions, and also, as you can see, very, very beautiful as well.